Hi everyone. Let's start with the sixth section, Securing Grub Boot Process. In this section, we'll be securing the host virtual machine and creating virtualized machines protections of Linux users' passwords and securing the grub boot process. Video 1. Securing virtual machines. Video 2. Creating virtualized machines. Video 3. Users' password recovery. Video 4. Secure grub boot process. We'll be working with securing the Linux grub process. Before we proceed, let's take a look at the slide. Installing only what you need on the host machine, which is the guest OS. Making use of strong encryption and passwords. Preventing unauthorized access by keeping the user's account secured on the host machine. Avoid sharing your IP address to unknown users. Let's begin. Let's install clamav this way. Sudo apt-get install clamav. To install the daemon, do sudo apt-get install clamav-daemon, and the necessary dependencies will be installed. Then install the clamtk with sudo apt-get install clamtk. To get the help for clamav, do clamscan-help. Under the clamtk, use the analysis to scan a directory. Click it and scan through all the directories. Select a folder and the rest will be done. If we head back to the terminal, we'll see that our scanning has been completed. Just do sudo clamscan and that will be done. Use clamscan-r-remove/ While that is running, we check the clamtk if it's done scanning. And done, no threats on the system. That's all for this video.